What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today got a day trading recap. I'm back, baby. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this day. Now, today is a green day. It is a green day, and I'm happy about it because, I didn't trade yesterday. And I didn't trade the day before, right? You know that. Yesterday, I made a video on why I didn't trade yesterday. Okay, and then on Monday, I made a video, I uploaded a video about how much money you need in order to start day trading, right? In my opinion. And that video is out there. I think it's a really good video. You will find a lot of value in it, as well as yesterday's. Yesterday's is tremendous about discipline. And I'll tell you something else. Today's video, while it is a recap day, and I have a trade here to show you, I think today's more about discipline, even more so than yesterday. Even more so than yesterday. Now, the reason I didn't trade on Monday is because I spent the entire day fishing, and don't regret that for a second. One of the benefits about being self-employed is basically being able to do what you want to do when you want to do it without having to clock in at some sort of job type deal, right? That is, to me, that's the essence of success, right? That's the goal. Right? When you reach a level of success, to me, one of the most important things about it is being able to do what you want to do whenever you want to do it. And that's the beauty of being self-employed. So I'm really happy, and I don't regret that at all. I had a great day on Monday, catching a boatload of fish and having good times with my boy, and we just nailed it out there and had a blast. So because of that, I didn't trade on Monday, and because of that, it presented itself for a great opportunity for yesterday's video that I think you'll get a lot out of. So make sure you check out those two videos. And then today I sat here and I said, okay, today's goal is very simple. Have a green day. My goal today was sit here and book a green day. I haven't day traded in 2 days, okay? Haven't day traded in 2 days. Last week, Thursday, I closed off a swing trade, didn't do a day trade. Real nice take profit, $2,000. You want to check that one out. Then Friday, I had a green day. And then Monday, no trade. Tuesday, no trade. And then today, I sat here and I said, I just want a green day. I want a green day. And sat here, I looked at everything, see what was popping off. A lot of action going on in large caps today. We're going to go over some of that. A boatload of action going off in large caps. This morning I tweeted out my watch list. If you don't follow me on Twitter and want to see the watch list in the mornings, link in the description section below to my Twitter account. Also, Webull is down there. You download the app and you fund your account and you get free money. That's right, you get free money. Why? Because you get a free stock. That stock could be valued anywhere, I think, between $1,200 to $1,400. So it's a no-brainer, right? You just put $100 in the account and you get a free stock. Then you can either go trade options with it if you want, or just take it all out and go have yourself a nice steak dinner. So you also have First Trade. You download the app and you open up the account. No need to fund it, and you get another free stock. So that's 2 free stocks. That's free money. Make sure you take advantage of that. Trade Ideas is down there as well with a coupon code for 15% off. Those are the scanners I use every single day along with their charts as well to kind of like do my technical analysis and scan the markets. So make sure you take advantage of that and check those links out. Now, today I tweeted out that watch list and not a single small cap was on that watch list. It was all large caps and mid caps. So there's a reason why, right? Had a lot of earnings, moving things around, and you had a lot of movers still, previous movers still making huge moves like Tesla and Apple. It's just a lot of action in that range. So I'm not going to go fiddle around with low float small caps if they're not giving us the moves and continuation that some of these bigger names are. And today Tesla was giving us continuation to the downside, and I looked to take full advantage of it. However, I have one trade on it. It's live. I'm going to show. Don't know if I caught it live, but we're going to bring that screen up here in a second. We're going to go over the trade, and then we're going to go over the setups I missed, why I missed them, okay, and what I did when I missed them, which is more important, more important. But first, we're going to go ahead and jump into that live feed here that I recorded. So let's grab that right now. Now, I have that here. Boom. Okay. Okay, so unfortunately I didn't get the live trade recorded. However, I can show it to you here, and then of course I'm going to show you my orders. As a matter of fact, you can see the orders filled there. You don't see the price, but I'll show you those in a second. Okay, now Tesla, I was looking for 470 to hold resistance, and I'll show you why, okay, in a few minutes here as soon as we get over this recording. What I want to show you here is this price action on these puts. They're insane. I got short right in here and covered as we made a new low, covered by, you know, selling out the put. Okay, now what I want you to see here is, like, look at this. We're at 23.30 right now. We've made a fresh new low a day. Okay, look at these puts, how they move around. Look at that, new lows again. We're already 25, 24 bucks and change. Now we're back at 22 as we jump back above that area. Look at that wick. But that is short-lived and it comes right back down. Look at that, fresh new lows, already 25. Look at this. We try to get a little bounce going there. I look back here at the daily, I think, no, 15-minute. Tesla's still pushing down lower and lower. We're 26.55, look at that. And we're looking to go lower, bang, 28.25. Just monster move, honestly, guys. Monster move. Look at that, 28.50. Look at that. That's just a monster move, honestly. Just crazy. So I unfortunately missed all of that move. Just because I only had one contract. I didn't get a chance to add to my position, which would have been beast, because I would have taken the second one off down there, like let's say 26, would have been a, man, I'm pretty upset, honestly. I'll show you my orders here. See your order status right there. Entered in at $18.95. You saw those go off at 28 bucks. Took my profit off at 21.62. Okay, so I booked over 250 bucks. What is it, like 260 something dollars? Let's see here, realized $265. Okay, so it's sad because I only got to take one put, and the reason why I only got to take one put is really simple. Remember, I got short right in here, right there. I was hoping we'd get another candle in that zone, right? And I could add a second and third contract and get into this with 3 contracts. Would have taken one off down here like I did, held on to the other one, taken it off down here, probably somewhere in here in this 460 zone, okay? And then held on to that final one, and I know myself, I would have been flat probably right in here as soon as we made that next new low. But it would have been a monster trade. Had I had all 3 contracts, I would have made well over $1,000. And today's goal wasn't to make $1,000 or anything like that. Today's goal was just to make a, book a green day, and I did that. So I achieved the goal, but I didn't get to really, get like the full squeeze out of this orange, right? So then I said to myself, right, what's the next play here? The next play here was waiting for that bounce and that VWAP projection. And I got it. However, when that happened, I got a phone call, and I had to take the phone call. I had to take the phone call. I was so mad. I was so mad. And I took the phone call and decided, to attend to that because it was business related and I had to take it. However, right now, I regret it tremendously and wish I would have not taken it and just simply called back, which I could have easily done. However, I took the call, boom, did what I had to do, came back. When I came back, we were here. Oh wow, Tesla's really dumping now. We were here, okay, and I couldn't buy that. I couldn't buy that put there because that was a total chase, and I wasn't about to buy that. So no trade for me on it, and I had to watch those puts go from, I don't know what they were, 20 something dollars to like 40. Just like now, look, they're at 47. It was the same 470 puts I was in from up here. That's what I was eyeing. So yeah, you know how I feel about it now. Then I said, okay, what is the next potential setup? I said, okay, the next potential setup would be, after making that fresh new low, a bounce back into the 90 MA. Reject the 90 MA, and I could have gotten short again. But at that point, right in here, or actually before it happened, my daughter needed me, and I had to attend to that issue. And I don't regret that one. Never would. I'd take it back. If I could take it back, I wouldn't, in the sense that if I could go in a time machine, go back to this moment, I would not change that. I would not change what I made, what I did, right? Which is get up and go attend to my little girl. So that one is irrelevant in the sense that I don't regret missing out on that trade. I regret missing out on the previous one. What I take solace in and comfort is that I was right here. I got paid. I was right in here. Didn't get paid, but I was right. So while I didn't add any capital to my account, I added mental capital and confidence. And I was right here, and again added more mental capital and confidence. Okay, so I was right in those, and I'm happy with that in the sense. Later, I did not, get involved in here because I figured it'd be choppy, right? Because we had one setup, two setups, three setups, fourth setup here, could very well become choppy, and I didn't want to partake in it, and it was choppy. Obviously would have worked out tremendously here, but it would have been different puts that I was eyeing at that point. And man, Tesla, look at that, go lower and lower. Now, we also had opportunities in Apple. Very similar, very, very similar. You can see right here. At this point, I was already in, inner eyeing Tesla, so no trades for me. But look at that. We dumped VWAP resistance, boom, new low. Bounce back up into VWAP, fade. So that was another one that could have been taken. What else? DKNG, again, the same thing. Look at this. It's going to close its gap potentially. So there's a number of, these tech stocks that today give us moves to the downside. ZM monster off of those earnings, and you can see here the 60-minute chart, monster gap up, right? Monster gap up yesterday, and then today we actually gapped down and kind of like forming a bear flag there. So we'll see what that decides to do. But plenty of opportunities to be had in these large cap stocks and these bigger names today to the downside. We'll see tomorrow if we got more downside continuation off of them, or maybe later this afternoon. For now, I'm done. It's almost lunchtime. I'm not going to take another trade here. Probably done for the day. Tomorrow might be another day for me. We'll see what happens there. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below for me. Remember to smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video. And I'll catch you on the next one.